Hello Year 8 and welcome to the Year 8 options process, which starts with this video. In this video and PowerPoint I'm just going to explain to you what is quite exciting times for you. You are for the first time in your secondary school being given a choice, some choice about what you will be studying in the future. You can't mess this process up because we have made it so that whatever your future plans are, your dreams, your ambitions, your skills, your abilities, this process will work for you. Coming back to school after what I call the Zoom year, you've settled really well into your studies. Everybody says you're turning up on time, you're working hard, your behaviour is excellent, and you're showing a real respect for your own education and for the teachers and the students around you. So that's brilliant. And that's why this process, which is a very simple process, will work beautifully for you lot. Okay, so you will receive lots of information between now and when you make your final choice, and this is particularly from Mr. Steventon, the PE teacher and head of Year 11, who's an expert at this, and he will be available and talking to you about the process. We have a 5-minute presentation for you now, just going through the whole process that you will be following and why you will be following it. So to start off with, look at this page on Ofsted, talking about Chauncy School and about how the students of all abilities make very strong progress and get great results. And also that this is an exceptionally happy and harmonious place where the kids and the adults enjoy working together. So we are an outstanding school. In this area, I believe we are the only school that has got these 6 outstandings in every area of the school life. So you can trust that we know what we're doing and that we are happy doing it, and that if you work with us, you'll do really well. So I don't want you to worry about GCSE results now or ever, really, just work with us. But these graphs will show you that students at Chauncy School, in the last year where they sat exams, which was 2019, they did, as usual, better than kids in other schools and always better than the national average. Now, to get through these results, through these exams, through this coursework and through all the assessments that you will doing, you may have to jump through hoops, as the phrase goes. And sometimes it may seem like they're very difficult hoops to jump through. But you know what? Work with us, trust us, and you'll get through your school career successfully, safely and happily. Now that's exams, and there's many other things that employers are going to want to know about you. And there's many other skills and attributes you need to carry through life. If you being resilient, being able to put up with the odd setback, being resourceful and knowing where to go for help and information, being able to reflect on your performance perhaps in a piece of work and review it and rewrite it, being able to work with other people. These skills are in many ways going to be more useful to you than just some exam results. However, all the teamwork, decision-making, problem-solving skills you develop will help you get these qualifications. Now, straight on to the Year 9 curriculum. You will be studying this from September. And here we go. Pay attention, please. You all do English, literature and language as an English course, GCSE. Everybody does that, and everybody does what we're calling core maths GCSE, all the way through till the end of Year 11. You will also all do science, and over the next year or so we will be talking with you about your ability in science, your aspirations, how much you want to use science in the future, and working with your teachers you will decide, or they will decide, whether you're doing double or triple. That's a decision for later, not for now. Now, everybody in Year 9 studies history and geography. So no choices so far. And you will all do core PE, and you will all have the opportunity to do all the extracurricular activities in art and drama and music, and of course PE. So art and design is a compulsory part of the Year 9 curriculum forever. There is also a very exciting course or series of courses called our Carousel of taster lessons that you will follow for 1 hour a week. We only started it a year ago and it's been incredibly successful. you will see that you will get a taster in psychology, a taster of what enterprise is all about. That's the sort of business course. And you will see there are 5 courses that you will study an hour a week for roughly 6-7 hours. And it will give you greater understanding of the options that are available later when you come to choose your final GCSE courses, and maybe even look at college and A-level courses. So now this is where we get to your choices. You have to choose one subject from each of these option blocks. They are conveniently called option block A and option block B. Now if we look at option block A, if you want to do French or Spanish, that is the end of your choice in option block A. You choose French or Spanish. If you do not want to do French or Spanish, and I have to say they are very demanding and rewarding and very, very important courses that do help people make progress to university and so on. But if you enjoy French or Spanish, and I hope you do, because they're great teachers we got up there, then choose that. If, however, you, in discussion with Mr. Steventon, your tutors, your parents, you decide not to do your modern languages, you will see that on there you have 5 choices. You can choose 1. Engineering, which you might know as resistant materials, or craft design or technology. Music, photography, PE, and then RE, which is known as a philosophy and ethics course. So option A, you may choose 1 subject and only 1 subject. And these blocks are not changing. In option B, you get to choose 1 subject and 1 subject only. So you can choose drama. You may choose drama. You may choose engineering, music, photography, PE, or RE, philosophy and ethics. 1 choice in this column. Now, what I have to point out to you is that most of the subjects in option B are also in option A. You may only choose music once. You may only choose engineering once. And the same goes for photography, PE and RE, once only. So you may end up here with French and drama, photography and engineering, RE and PE. Okay, so that's the choice that you have to make. For most of you, you've got a rough idea already which ones you might want to choose. And these blocks don't change. We're not putting more subjects in or making it so that you can choose 3 of these subjects. You can only choose 1 from option A, 1 from option B. Now you can see on screen a summary of the Year 9 curriculum. And this tells you over a 2-week timetable that you'll do 8 hours of maths, for instance, and 4 hours of history. You will see the art and design course is 2 hours, as is the taster carousel. 2 hours, that's 1 hour a week. In that art and design course, you'll do lots of different art subjects. You will see that option A is 5 hours over 2 weeks. Option B is 5 hours over 2 weeks. So it's a fairly substantial part of your time. You will find further details of that on the school website. Now, the following year, at the end of year 9, you have a choice as well. And all I can do on this is to just refer you to what it says on the screen and tell you that you will do one of history and geography through to GCSE. You can do both. You may do both. If you decide to do both, that year your options are done. That's for the future. Let's move on. The Year 10 curriculum summary. You will see that English and maths stay as 8 hours over 4 hours, but science is now massive. 10 hours over the 2 weeks. There is an incredible amount of work to be done in science. In all of these subjects, you are taught by subject specialists who really, really want to teach this subject. So the media teacher is a specialist, experienced, skilled, qualified media teacher, also with experience in the world of media and film and television and so on. So these are the options. You don't have to worry about this process. All you need to do is think, I really want to do these subjects. I like these subjects. These are my choices. Wonderful. I'm being given a choice as to what I can study. That's really good. I'm being trusted to make sensible choices. There are people I can talk to. I'll talk to my parents. I'll talk to older students if I want. I'll talk to Mr. Steventon. I will look on the website and look at all the descriptions of each subject. And then I'm going to trust that the school will give me a helping hand in every aspect of my education so that I can carry on and succeed.